Hi, I'm Dr. Adrian Larsen, and I'd like to talk to you, my fellow acupuncture practitioners, about a scenario that you've probably seen in your practice. I know I've seen it in mine. You have a patient that shows up. Maybe they Google searched you. Maybe it was referral, and they show up because they're desperate. They've been everywhere else. They haven't gotten any results. They may not even know what's wrong. And so what the heck? They're going to try acupuncture. They come to your office. You examine them. You're certain you can help. You know what's wrong. You know what to do. But when you try to explain it to them, their eyes just kind of glass over. And ultimately, they just want to get on with the treatment. And so you treat them, you send them home, and you never see them again. Have you been there? Has that happened? Or what about you treat them and they come back and they say, yeah, I was doing a little bit better. And you treat them again and you never see them again. Well, in one case, they probably didn't come back because they gave it a try and they say, well, I tried acupuncture, it didn't do much, and that was that. In the other case, maybe you hit a home run. They feel a whole lot better. And so after a couple of visits, they stop coming because they assume they only need to come to you when there's a problem they can identify. In either case, what's underlying all of it isn't acupuncture. The problem isn't the medicine. The problem is how we communicate the medicine. When you think about it, patients are used to a Western medical mindset where they go in to see some kind of a practitioner and they end up with data. They get charts, they get lab results, they get imaging studies, they get shown and told what's wrong so that they trust and believe in what's going to happen and they submit to it, and that's how they're used to being treated. But with acupuncture, it's a totally different world. You try to explain it, but it's hard to explain. It's not something that people grasp readily. And when people don't understand, then they don't trust. And when they don't trust, they don't commit. And that lack of commitment not only hurts you and your practice, but it's hurting and holding back the whole profession. So what if there was a way to show patients what's actually going on? Not just what their problem is, but how acupuncture is helping them, tangibly, objectively, the difference that it's making. How would that change things for you? How would that change things for your patients? Would they complete their treatment plans? Would they trust? Would they commit? Would they refer? The answer is yes. I know how this works. I've seen it happen literally hundreds of times in thousands of practices. What if there were a way to quickly, easily, verifiably show the patient exactly what's wrong and exactly how you're helping? It changes everything. And we'll talk more about that in my next video.